The purpose of this video is to show you briefly how to search for resources using KNOWLEDGE.net. Now up here we have a search bar, and I'm going to type in gardening, as we've got a green day coming up soon at the start of the year, and then I'll click search. And here you can see it's brought up the digital learning objects. So there are 12 digital learning objects, and some of you will be familiar with these from the TKI website. And it has the target year level for these objects and a brief description, so I know which ones I might want to look at. Here it has resources from Digital NZ, and these are lots of digitized resources. Here it's got many hits, and as you can see it's got some old photos of gardening there. The KNOWLEDGE.net pages is the results found from our own KNOWLEDGE.net, and as you can see there's no results for that, but if I click on Global Zone it will have the results for all of the KNOWLEDGE.net pages from all of the schools that allow their pages to be seen by others. So if I search down, there's 1 to 3 of 3 hits. There's keynote presentations, but without a description. That might be from a KNOWLEDGE.net conference. There's curriculum vitae, which might be a more tenuous link, but down here we've got sharing the planet, gardening, sustainable gardening. This seems much more like what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click on this one. And here's a page that another school's created, another KNOWLEDGE.net page created by another school, with lots of different links to gardening initially, but then obviously other links about sharing the planet. So we've got composting and packaging, solar energy, and so on. Now if I go back to my original search, there is also a reviewed website. So here is one reviewed website. It's been reviewed by one person and it's been given 3 stars. Let's have a look at how good it is. It's a kids gardening website. It's just loading up, and here it is here. Kids gardening, helping young minds grow. So they're the resources that I found on KNOWLEDGE.net. By typing gardening into here, then looking at the reviewed websites, the digital learning objects, the resources from Digital New Zealand, the resources from our own KNOWLEDGE.net page, and then the resources from the Global Zone. Please use this sometimes to help you with your planning. I hope this video has been useful.